Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to talk about a tradition that millions of Americans participate in every day, the Pledge of Allegiance. If you have ever watched an American school scene in a movie, you've probably seen students standing with their hands over their hearts, reciting a pledge to the flag. But why do Americans say the Pledge of Allegiance, and what does it really mean? Let's explore its history and significance. The Pledge of Allegiance was first written in 1892 by Francis Bellamy, a Baptist minister and socialist. It was originally created to promote patriotism and national unity, especially among school children. The first version of the pledge was short and simple. I pledge allegiance to my flag and the republic for which it stands, one nation, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Over time, the wording changed, and in 1954, during the Cold War, the phrase "under God" was added to the pledge by President Dwight Eisenhower. The pledge is recited in schools, government meetings, and public events as a way of expressing loyalty to the country. It is also a reminder of the core values of the United States, including liberty, justice, and unity. When saying the pledge, people stand, place their right hand over their heart, and face the American flag as a sign of respect. While many Americans view the Pledge of Allegiance as an important tradition, it has also been the subject of debate. Some believe that reciting the pledge should be optional, especially for those who may not agree with its wording or religious references. Others argue that it is an essential part of American identity and should continue to be recited in schools and public ceremonies. Despite the debates, the Pledge of Allegiance remains a strong symbol of patriotism and national pride. It represents the ideals that the United States was built upon and reminds citizens of their shared commitment to freedom and democracy. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the history and meaning of the Pledge of Allegiance and why Americans say it. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.